stage Amira Dastoor.
ये मित्रा ये राजा अभी
मैं लुक सेंटर
भाई हाथ देना खाली यो पूरे
मैं लुक सेंटर वो बन गया था अरे बहुत बड़ा कैमरा बन गया रे तू अरे ये अनिकेत आगे ना लुक सेंटर अरे यार
आगे अजून का पुढे
अरे अनिकेत मागे ना राजा
उंडावर जा
तुझी कमी होती
Guys, I'm just going to begin. So Amira is somebody who I style on a regular basis. She's one of the top leading ladies at the moment, and I love styling her. She is one of my best friends also, like she said. So I styled her in pieces from Promote, from their latest collection, which I just described. She's wearing this military green jacket, which is again one of the pieces that I loved from their collection. She's wearing the high-waisted denims that from the denim collection, which is again one of my favorites. The color is perfect. It's like these are the sort of colors to look out for at the moment. Like the washed out jeans are in, but I think the plain jeans are again back. So yeah, so that's something that I styled her in, and yeah, so this is the look that I have for her. Yeah, it's casual. It's something that she would wear. That's, I think this is one of her personal styles that she would wear and be comfortable in. So yeah.
Hi Amira. So, I mean, how would you, take care of yourself this summer as far as clothes, hygiene? What are your summer preparations?
So I've always said this in every interview when it comes to skin and healthcare and everything. You are what you eat. I drink a lot of water, and especially with the heat going on right now, you need to make sure your body isn't dehydrated. So a lot of fruits, a lot of watermelon, a lot of water, a lot of nimbu pani actually, and yeah, just keep yourself hydrated and you'll be fine.
Thank you. And if you had to choose one thing in denim, then what would that be? Like that you could wear at any occasion or for anything.
I think the denim dress is really in right now, like your normal 3/4 denim dress. So I think that's a necessity. We've seen everybody wearing it, from Priyanka Chopra to Sonakshi Sinha as well. So yeah, I think it's really in and it's really trendy.
And your favorite pick from Promo?
This. I love the military jacket. I just love it. And jeans are my all-time favorite. They're comfortable, they're easy. Everyone can wear them. Everyone looks good in them. So yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about the collection, the new collection of Promo?
I've always loved Promote. I've been shopping at Promote ever since I was actually 16 or 17. So for me, it's been like almost, 7-8 years now. So Promote for me is like home in a way. So I love their collection. I love their stuff. It's young, it's fresh, and it's fun.
But I have to tell you one thing, that you look so pretty in person.
That's because of my makeup artist. She's there somewhere. Hi, yeah.
Thank you.
दो ही तो है भाई,
वो नहीं है वो
Guys, rolling. हमारा सबसे पहले कलेक्शन के बारे में बताइए और आपको कोलैबोरेशन बताइए.
So I think this collection is a lot of fun. I think it's young. I think it's fantastic. And my stylist and best friend is actually like really into this brand. She loves Promode. I've also always loved Promode. So she's doing this event for them as well. And I'm here for her, I'm here for Promode. So I can't wait to see what else they have.
Okay, so what any summer tips you want to give for your viewers?
Guys, just keep yourselves hydrated. You all really need to. At the end of the day, we know it's going to be a very hot summer, we've been told. So be careful, be hydrated, drink a lot of water and a lot of fruits. What is that?
ये बंद करो जरा भाई.
अरे यार
इसके अलावा कोई आपके upcoming project, any project?
So I am going to sign something very soon. I'll let you know about it. As of now, I'm still doing a South project. So yeah, you're going to see me in Bollywood soon.
मैम इसके अलावा समर का वेकेशन है, लोगों को बहुत दिक्कतें आ रही है. Any tips you want to give?
Go somewhere cool. I think yeah, somewhere nice and chilly and cold.
You're looking.
Colors would you suggest?
Right now, I'm in love with yellow. I think yellow and your pinks really represent spring and fun colors. Even a nice green, your different emerald greens. Anything bright, anything fun and pastel.
What's your favorite color?
See, I know this sounds really cliched, but I love pink. Sorry.
मैम जैसे कि एक सरकार एक नया रूल्स लेकर आ रही है, women's should not work night. What is your opinion on this?
See, at the
They
end
already
of the day,
banned Karnataka government.
I know, I heard about that. At the end of the day, I think we are in a country that still needs to be a little safer towards its women. I know we're working on it and I can see the progress, but at the end of the day, I think it should be our choice. I really do. I think we should make our own choices and that should be our own choice to make, not someone else's.
Okay, so Amara, what kind of clothes like you will choose? Which is stylish or which is more comfortable?
Honestly, I'm a style person. For me, style beats comfort. Sorry.
Then last question, what is the status of Kala Kandi movie with Saif Ali Khan?
Damn, how do y'all know about that? It's gonna come out soon. That's all I can say.
How much is completed? Because you have
No,
recently you have shoot for a song.
it's been completed. Everything is completed, so I don't think there's anything left to shoot.
When trailer will launch?
I don't know actually. I think they're figuring that out, but as of now, I know that the movie is done, and I think they're almost done editing it as well.
Would
So
you like to tell about
I
your goal?
can't. I really
Like
can't.
how-
It's a special year.
Questions only on fashion.
How was the experience working with Sam? How was it?
And it was amazing. Obviously amazing.
Okay, Amara, tell me who you feel as a competitor of Promode?
Of Promode, I think all brands are actually really different. I'm not trying to be diplomatic, but at the end of the day, each brand has their own essence. Like even Promode, it's very fun, it's very boho, it's very different, it's very young. And at the end of the day, I don't think like they really compete. I think if you want something, you go to Promode, or I think if you want something, you go to another brand, you know?
So apart from Promode, which is your favorite brand?
You really think I'm gonna say that at a Promode event? I got in trouble for that once. Not gonna make it again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.